Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both systems. This saves time later. Enable SNMP on the Sophos Firewall, choose V2C for simplicity or V3 for security, and record community or user credentials. On the Zabbix server, make sure the SNMP utilities and MIBs are installed so queries work. Once done, verify network reachability. Ping and SNMP walk from the Zabbix host to the firewall. These steps ensure the monitoring channel is ready before you add the host. You now configure the host in Zabbix. Add the firewall IP and choose SNMP interface. This tells Zabbix how to poll the device. Import or link a Sophos SNMP template to gather interfaces, CPU, memory, and VPN metrics. Templates map OIDs to items automatically. Configure item polling intervals and SNMP credentials. If using V3, enter auth and privacy settings. Make sure macros for community or credentials are set at host or template level, so checks authenticate correctly. Finalize by validating data collection. Open latest data and review key items, then inspect graphs to confirm trends. Enable and test triggers so you know alerts fire when thresholds breach. Adjust severity and recovery settings as needed. If items are not returning values, perform an SNMP walk from the Zabbix server, confirm SNMP ACLs and community strings on Sophos, and review Zabbix server logs for errors. This single troubleshooting tip: run SNMP walk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.